ವೃಕ್ಷ ತಾನೇ ಅದು ವಿಜಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಯಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓದಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನಿಯ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳೇನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು, ತುಂಬ ಒಂಥರ ಹೈಟೆಕ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನಿ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, one who knows the Brahman, one who knows the Bhagavad Gita, one who knows Sanskrit, one who knows all those, there are confusion. We don't know who is actually a Brahmajnani, yaru. One who knows the source where we come. That is all Brahmajnana. Okay. Very nice, beautifully please he has given. I will just share, because whatever I study I always share. ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಹಂತಗಳು ಅಂತ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಶುಭೇಚ್ಛ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಬಯಸುವ ಹಾದಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹುಡ್ಕೋನು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಹಂತ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಶುಭೇಚ್ಛ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಇಗ್ನೈಟ್ ಯು ದಿಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಮುಮುಕ್ಷುತನ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮುಮುಕ್ಷುತನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮುಮುಕ್ಷು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಸೀಕ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಲಿಬರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತ್. ಮುಮುಕ್ಷುತನ, ಒನ್ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ, ಒನ್ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೀಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈಡ್, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಮುಮುಕ್ಷತ್ವ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಜಿಜ್ಞಾಸು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮುಮುಕ್ಷುತನ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೆಲವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಕುತೂಹಲಿಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. somebody teaches something, some meditation there, I go, I want to know that. Okay, so these are all called information mongers. They get a lot of information, keep it here, and then they don't dissipate also the information what they get. And what happens is it get collected here and it converts into ego. Okay, because they are bloated with lot of jnana. Okay, information mongers. So they are not actually, maybe they may call it as ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರುಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. Have you seen lecturers, professors? They all know a lot of things. They keep studying, they keep acquiring knowledge. So what happens is, but that is a hanta. Okay, so but let us know what is the real one. And ಯಾರು ಈ ಶುಭೇಚ್ಛ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಯಾರು ಇಗ್ನೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಮುಮುಕ್ಷುತನ, he will not only he will be in the ಲೌಕಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು, he will be in the material world. He will be with husband, wife, or whatever his children, and the samsara, and do his work or her work. She said housewife is the greatest work. I think that's I give a big hand to all the housewives, because the housewife have created leaders, not the other way around. Okay, so that's the power of ಮಾತೆಯರ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅದಿದೆ. So that's the greatest job in the world. But again they get lost. ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, they are not reciprocating. So by the age maybe 50 or 60 they reach, after they get married, you'll start feeling the pinch that I did so much for them, but then they are not reciprocating. Okay, so you may get into that zone called midlife crisis. So I have seen a lot of people, because I did my MS in counseling and psychotherapy. I don't do personally to a lot of people, very special places. Most of it I transfer to Star or Timaya or some Meera Ravi or somebody. So it somewhere we get stuck with that. ಮುಮುಕ್ಷು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮುಮುಕ್ಷುತನ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, somewhere ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಡತಿ, ಮಗ, ಮಗಳು, ಗಂಡ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. We see through life, through these relationships. We don't see beyond them. Okay, good. You have to see from in the beginning that it's a family unit. But can you see ಅರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಹೌದು, ನನಗೂ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿದೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, and that is what the best solution is. Meditation. You begin to meditation. Okay? Yeah, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಆ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಬಟ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಲವರು ತುಂಬ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆತಗಳು ಬಿದ್ದು, who has got the beaten up like anything. So maybe I started very early in my life. Okay, I started very early, like 16 years. I was almost 30 plus years back. Okay, now I'm 46, 40. So like that, you have to. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯಾರು ಧ್ಯಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಹೊಡೆತಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಆ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂನ್ಯತೆಗಳು ಕಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, somewhere that everything is okay with me, get into the problem. One is the dhyana is the beginning of your mumukshutana. Then ಧ್ಯಾನದಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ you need a support system. You got it? So many people do meditation on their own in their houses, but still they get stuck. You got it? Okay, we are all psychological beings. We may get stuck because we cannot say that we are spiritual being, I am enlightened, but again you are in the human form. You got it? ನೀವು ಮಾನವ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯು ಮೇ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಎಮೋಷನ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್. ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ವೈ ಟೀನೇಜರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋ? ದೇ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಸೋ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟಿವ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವೈ ಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್? ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? By the age 15, 20, they take instinctive decision. They say, they shout. They call me, why you are shouting to us? But actually they are shouting. We'll be talking in a very polite way. Okay, because I have a teenage daughter, I know it. Okay, and so what happens is, tanve dhyanadalli stop agadu. But the next satsanga they ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Forget about satsanga is a very Indianized or Hindu word or whatever we may call it. Let us call it a support system. I call it as a support system. So that satsanga, whoever is committed to the path of that jijnasutana, that seekerhood, those are the group of people. And for the last 25 years, I started my journey with Sukhabodhananji in 1987. Till now, I have come across, I told you, my master's photos are there. You can see from Mahesh Yogi to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa to Vivekananda to Osho to Satyasai to Sukhabodhananji to Patriji. All the 7 masters I have worked in one way or the other very closely. Okay, I have associated with those movements, including School of Ancient Wisdom. Okay, how many people knows about it? It's a beautiful place. Okay, the founder was Mani De. She is no more, just 1 year back. So these are the places who molds you, not just because you are doing dhyana in your house, I should be liberated. No, these support systems, unless the Pyramid Valley is there. How many people have not seen Pyramid Valley? Just raise your hands. There are only 2. You have not still seen. Why Pyramid Valley? You can do it in your house, no? The Pyramid Valley has got certain infrastructure to raise that consciousness. You got it? The mega pyramid, you can see within 3-4 minutes you get into an empty sort of a thing. Okay? So those kind of power zones, we call it as power centers. If you don't visit, I try to do everything on my own. Dhyana nane ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನೇ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. No, sorry. As I always tell, you need a mentor, you need a guru, you need a master to guide you. You need an axle because you are all wheels. Always we are moving. You get confused. So what happens is, having said that, dhyana will help you to get into the mumukshutana. Satsanga will continue it. Then it doesn't stop. Then it starts with what, sir? We call it as Swadhyaya. What is Swadhyaya? Swadhyaya is being with a good literature. Okay? What kind of literature? Good books. Dhyana Kasturi Antira, Yaudu, Life Positive, all these, anything which are good. I myself have written 2 books, that is Zero to Hero and Empty Cup. Okay, these are all released last year, and I have written after 25 years of my seeking. Udiki, odata tindo. Then I went to my master. Shall I write? Shall I release my 2 books? He said, release it. It is not in a perfect form. I said, don't worry, release an imperfect book. Okay, and with all courage I released it, and today, believe it, I never expected my 25 years, these 2 books have become my turning point of my life. Okay, and I never thought that I will get recognition in 1 year what I didn't get in last 24 years. You got it? So that is everybody has a capacity to get you hang on to that support system, even though you may be very, very strong about knowledge. Knowing is different, knowing is different, doing is different. Okay? People know things, but they don't know. They don't do it, whatever they know. So these are the power centers which makes you do. And one of it is Zen Center, and one we have in CMRS, otherwise Sanjeevani. We have lot of centers. In Bangalore only we have about 20 centers, active centers, around 150 to 200 small and big centers all over Karnataka, and more than 10,000 centers in India. Okay, these are all affiliated to pyramid societies, spiritual societies movement. Okay, and it's a worldwide movement. Patriji has formed it, and so please know that this Shubhecha I call, don't stop at that. Next is Vicharana, we call it as the next Hanta, contemplation we call it. Okay, next step, Shubhecha, Vicharana. Vicharana means what? Enquiry. Whatever I say, don't believe it. Okay, whatever Patriji said, don't believe it. Whatever Timaya is going to say, don't believe it. You can always go and ask, do some enquiry. Is it right? ಪ್ರಶ್ನಿಸದೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಒಪ್ಪಬೇಡಿ. Okay, ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Okay, don't believe what I say, don't believe what he said, don't believe Buddha said also. Unless you inquire it, vicharana, you have to do that vicharana. Unless you do that vicharana, you have to follow the truth, the path of truth. You have to find the path of truth, and you have to walk on the path of truth. Talking about truth is something, walking on the path of it is something totally different. I have seen. Okay, and those are two different things. One is knowledge, another is real work. So please, and the next one, what he says is Tanu Manasa Hanta. Next, Tanu means Deha, Manasa means Manas. Okay, but unfortunately, whatever happens to our body, we get affected. You got it? Tanu, if Tanu is affected, that Deha is affected. If the disease get diseased, our psychology get diseased. Okay, our mood get low, and we will become slow, and whole thing revolves around your Deha also. Don't ignore it. And Manas, please address this monkey mind. Okay, please address this. And if you don't address this, it will take you to a what Zigzag lecture is beautifully in his book. Don't be a wandering generality. Be a meaningful specific. That means ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು 3 ದಿವಸ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 3 ದಿವಸ, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು 3 ದಿವಸ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು, ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಜಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್, you know that you are a jack of all, you know lot of things. You know today's youth, they know about everything, but you ask them where your mastery is, they don't have answers. Okay, that is the reason. Then the depth of the knowledge is also very shallow. Okay, so please go deep within. What is your real meaning of life? What is my purpose of life? Why I have taken this birth in this janma, and where I should go, whom I should get entangled with. Timbainur, last 10 years I am with him. He is with me. Ups and downs of life, we are with each other. Okay. See, it acts as a support system. Okay. And unless you have that support system, I am telling you, you can read encyclopedia on success. Whatever you can do, ultimately you end up zero. Okay. Unless you have that support system, feedback system, and constantly reviewing whatever you are doing it, you will not do anything in life. Unless you pass these hantas, Shubhecha, then Vicharana, Tanu Manasa Hanta. Okay, and in that he tells there are there are 3 people. One is Brahmavithiranyanu, then Brahma with Varishta. Andre idella Sanskrit words. Please don't get confused. There is always a hanta, prathamika hanta, madhyama hanta, and then prauda. We call it as primary school, middle school, high school. Even in our mumukshutana, We have this, okay? For some time we consider that body is important, then we consider mind is also important. Then afterwards, everything is dissolved into, okay? And then from where we came, from zero we came, and zero is our eternal house. ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ಮನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದೇನೆ. The moment you came to know that the ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ಮನೆ, but who is important? ಇವರ ಹಂತಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು? ಒಬ್ಬ ನಂತರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. Somebody buys a land to do farming, okay? Some other person will take into a teaching, okay, jnana, okay? Some other person will be a sannyasi. You got it? Who is great in that? Tell me, who is great? Sannyasi is great? Nobody is great and nobody is small. All are required. And don't think that any one hanta, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಹಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಂತಗಳನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಪಡೆದಿದೆ. All ultimately you have to get into that, know that there is a deha, body, there is a mind, there is an intellect, there is beyond so many 101 things. Atma, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. Please, once you start meditating, you will come to know that what is our real purpose of life. The moment you come to know what is the real purpose of life, he was talking of medicine. Okay? Today we sent a SMS called, what is that?
Cure disease.
Cure any, you can cure any disease without medicines. Okay? And as last Saturday I was talking to him, he sent it about 2 days back, the topic. So we have such an open mind, okay, we don't know. 2-3 days we can finalize program. But every Saturday at between 5 and 7:30 it will be there. You don't have to worry, you can just come and sit. And Sir spoke about 2 days back about a Chinese master, what's his name?
Hong Xia.
Hong Xia, okay, whatever it is. So let us, diseased mind, diseased body, diseased atma, whatever you call it, emotions, all can get polluted, okay? All levels we have pollution. Communication level we have communication, we have pollution. All pollutions lead to toxins, okay? Stress, he was talking about stress. You know what is stress? Just a traffic jam can create stress for us. You don't know, without, you may be doing lot of meditation, just you'll be triggering, you'll be passing lot of hormones into your system which works against the nature, okay? Just somebody is shouting somewhere, it can raise your emotions. Maybe you call it as BP, okay? And for some people there is a noise coming at the back, may be irritating, okay? Yes, you cannot say that. I cannot say no, don't get irritated. It can be an irritating factor, but unless whatever our Timaya sir is going to talk about it, unless you address these basic issues of pollution of all these, we will not come out of our circle. Last 25 years, masters, friends, with all humility I am telling you, okay, don't confuse. You may be knowing books, you must have read books after books after books, having lot of knowledge, but if you are not putting into practice whatever you know, ultimately it remains knowledge, okay? It's a bundle of knowledge, and please go and apply at least some of it. Simple thing as detachment. We talk of detachments. Kamalada hoo melirtappa, attachment irbaardu. Are we detached? Ask. Okay? One pickpocket happened last week. Just think about 10,000 rupees you lost. 1 week you weep for that. Just okay. So just go back. It is very easy to talk. So these kind of support system, make use of it. We have a beautiful pyramid valley. All are welcome. Every full moon we have between 8 and 11 beautiful sessions. This time we are coming on Monday 17th, okay? And tomorrow morning one Varshini Shashi is doing one workshop here on happiness beyond. I mean, maybe you can attend, you know, this is a beautiful between 10 and 5.
Sir,
I think you are
17th Monday.
17th Sunday, sorry, 17th Sunday. Okay, 17th is Sunday. I'm sorry, I got confused. And tomorrow, Varshini is doing a workshop on between 10 to 5 called Happiness Beyond. Okay, you can contact me later for the details. Okay, now talk about Timayaji. So I'm going to end it with introducing you, because most of the people think that he was in devil, he was in that and all. He is a great master, and just listen to him with an open mind. And he is like a Zen master with all the force, with all humor. He is going to talk to you on this beautiful topic. Okay, over to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.